how to generate AI images in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about this platform called Canva, and I'm going to teach you how you could use its different features to generate image AI. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open a canvas. For example, this one over here, we're going to open this for now. And now we have our canvas over here. What you're going to do next is you're going to click on apps over here on the left side. And then as you can see here, we have text to image feature over here. You're simply going to click this and now you would be able to generate AI images based on your prompts. For example, we have retro anime over here and you're going to put in whatever image you would like to produce. For example, we're going to go with a simple one, a cat, then create your image, and you're simply going to wait for a few seconds or maybe a few minutes depending on your internet speed, and it will generate an AI image of a cat. And as you can see here, we have AI generated image with the specific style that we have chosen. And that's it guys, that's how you can generate AI images with Canva. Hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching.